Amen.
You know, people will look at you and see that your story is so difficult that no one can deliver you. Your problem is so messy that no one can hear you. But I got news for you. If you can ever just remember that there is a seat between you and God, and you are the only person that needs to sit on the next seat, and God is willing to listen to you. And that will be the end of the enemy intention to walk after you, because you see, every time he comes after you, just sit with Jesus.
Amen.
All you need to do is to sit with him. And remember that by his death on the cross of Calvary, your redemption was completed.
Amen.
And not only your redemption was completed, but he came to restore you to your former dignity and your former integrity, to your place of honor that the enemy has stripped you off. That is the place that God has come to restore us. That is the place that Jesus died to restore us. If you listen to the word system today, you realize that the very people who are propagating the message of freedom are the same people who are disrespecting life. I hear politicians in this country telling you that a child does not have constitutional right, even if at the place of birth. The mother might be pregnant for 9 months, but until they are born in the world, that they have no constitutional right. Somebody is able to make sure that the lady with the pregnancy have the authority to destroy the life of another citizen that is about to be born. But these are the same people that cry low, that cry loud, because the life of somebody was sexually molested. Maybe 15 years ago, somebody's life was molested. I love the right. Please the right, yes, but respect human dignity. Every child has the right to life, even at conception. We shouldn't destroy the citizens that need to take over our nation, the workforce that need to come out, because you wouldn't realize that you are destroying the life of a leader that will achieve the status of their community. Are you there with me? You see, and the people propagating this message they are as cunning and as crafty as the serpent himself. They are very cunning. When they take the stage, they talk like, they are the best. In fact, the best sentiment. But if you know their true intention, you realize their true intention is one person bossing. That is placed in the logic that they are selling to you.
Oh God, have mercy.
Are you there with me? And that is how men have lost their place with God.
That's it.
This beautiful and wonderful country, United States of America, have been responsible for the protection of many nations across the world.
That's it.
And you realize that because of this country and the church in this country, many nations have come to the full knowledge of the kingdom of God. And if the gospel was not preached in some of these countries, you will have more violence today than you have ever had in the world.
Amen.
And because of the preaching of the gospel of Jesus Christ in this country, backed by missionaries that came from this country and went to this place and preached the word of God, and men are living from God and hearing to the word of God, you find out that governments do not have in their hands the level of trouble that never have had. Have they been left alone? That's what I said sometimes ago to talk about politicians back in Liberia. And I said, the police force we have in your country is not one of the reasons why security is in this country. The reason for the security in this country is the reason, is because of many of these people who were criminals that are now in churches. Some of them are saved. Because if these people were not in churches and the message of the gospel was not preached to them, and these people on their own change their character, you will have a more hardened nation to govern. And that will have made it much more impossible for you to govern as a leader.
Amen. That's right.
This message of the gospel, supported by men and women from this country, have come to a place where we have changed the order. We have changed the order to an extent that when you preach the gospel, you are accused. And if you are just supporting the gospel, you got a problem. You are not intelligent enough. The best intelligence is to propagate the message of a freedom that is destructive.
Yeah.
A freedom that tells the child that you got no one has a right to correct you.
Yeah.
Nobody has a right to put you in check when you're going wrong. A freedom that has given the children the right to understand society think they can govern life.
Yeah.
But if the homes and the families that are the nucleus of society lose their place and their place of honor in bringing up children that are reasonable, children that become respected citizens of our country, policing will become more difficult.
Amen.
Yeah.
You can police a community
Yeah.
when there's no home, everybody live on their own, and everybody knows law and order. Everybody is an island for himself. That will become all totally impossible to God. Because even the lives of our children will be in danger. And that is the kind of message that is being preached out there today. That's a message that is telling us that indeed, you know what? All you need to do is that utilize your freedom. Women no longer want to be wives or want to be wives. And somebody will tell you, so you know, this is the best way of life. And this is the way it's supposed to be. And you come to know it. Listen, if there is anything that exists without order, it should not be the home.
That's right.
If the workplace cannot function without supervisors, why would we want to live in our homes without leadership? Where in fact our children are breath. Our children are bred, and our children are prepared for the future and to go out to serve humanity. If that place does not have order, how can we survive?
That's right.
Yes.
One of the biggest things that is a trouble to many people of our race today is because we suffer so much to an extent that when we take freedom to the extreme. We take freedom to an extreme so much to an extent that we believe that anyone who is called a man must lose their place before you can become a husband.
That's right.
If you want to be a successful husband, among many people of our race, you must lose your place as a man. When you have no voice, everything you suggest is nothing. You only exist because you are a man. You must only exist and you just be in a home. And I tell you what, when you rewrite the order of God, you live with the consequence.
That's it.
Yes.
The Bible says, when God created Adam, he gave him the responsibility. When Eve messed up, it was Adam's responsibility. That is why God do not hold Eve responsible. He hold Adam responsible.
Yes.
He hold him responsible because the communion between he and Adam was made. The covenant was made.
Yeah.
And that's why when he came in the cool of the evening, he didn't call for Eve. Because the sum total of Eve and her husband is the same family. Have you ever been?
Amen.
He called for the family in whole. And he called the name Adam. Where are you? Then he began to make excuses. And that is the place I want to close.
Hey.
Don't make excuses with God.
Yes.
I know many of you
That's it, sir.
are able to make excuses for many things. You can make excuses for your bosses. You can make excuses to your medical doctor, because when you're supposed to do your medical checkup, you missed it, and you go and give an excuse how something else will happen. But don't make excuse with God, because He knows you before you even decided on the decision by which you wanted to use for the excuse that you are making.
That's right.
He understands exactly the impulse of your heart. If there's anything you need to seek in this nation, you need to seek God.
Yeah.
Because we are going to a place in this nation where it takes God to restore the dignity of this great nation in the world. And when you want to restore the dignity of the world, you need to restore the dignity of the United States of America.
Amen.
And if you want to restore the dignity of the United States, you need to restore the dignity of the families and the dignity of the values, the dignity of the educational institutions, the dignity of the elders playing their role, or the older folks playing their role, and be responsible for the next generation.
Yeah.
Because man was responsible, that's why God came to him every evening to commune with him. He communed with him to know exactly where his challenge is. God is a good supervisor.
Yeah, that's right.
He supervised with love. He supervised with care. We were waiting for a flight in, I think that should be in LA. And we were doing a transit. And I sat by a man who was talking to one of his construction workers on the phone. And the way he talked to his friend on the phone can tell you the reason why many great institutions and great ideas and companies die after before they are 5 years in this country. Many great corporations are bred with huge money, huge investment, but they die because the arrogance of the men and the women who are the leaders is they are so arrogant to an extent that they believe that because of their place of position, everybody else who works for them is a slave.
Should take anything from them. Huh.
A good leader hears that the worker or co-worker have a problem. A leader is going to be concerned about what is that problem. How can we solve that problem? What is the challenge? Because if those people continue to have those kind of challenges, obviously it will affect their production. But the biggest thing they threaten you is, we'll lay you off. I think you need to go, I think you need to be homeless, or maybe you need to be jobless. Or maybe you don't need this job, you don't value this job, you don't need this, you don't need that. And eventually, if you give yourself time, no matter whether you put billions of dollars into it, if your attitude is like that, and your behavior is like that, such institutions will die.
Nobody won't work with you.
Hey,
In their homes,
that's a word.
husbands are so arrogant to their wives, and so rude to their wives, to an extent, and so disrespectful to their own children, to an extent that there's no law and order. Husbands believe that the wives are the slaves and the puppets in a place, to the place that they can treat them just anyhow. Your home, God gave you a responsibility. That's why you need to take your seat before God to account on a daily basis, using your conscience to tell him what are the challenges.
Amen.
If you have emotions, don't pour it on your family.
Yes.
I cannot reverse that around. Because the reason why many women will tell you today, I don't need a man. When I live in my single life, when I enjoy my this, I enjoy that. And that's the reason why you are staying young and active and working, you good. But when the time catches with you and age catches with you, you will live at the mercy of other people.
Jesus.
Yes.
Because you disrespect the family, you disrespected the honor of God. People God wanted to bring into your life. That's what I put on a post recently. I said the word is full of people. Don't walk alone in this world. Somebody said, okay, I got a friend. Well, I got this. I don't get that. I got that. The problem is that everything is wrong with you when everybody else is wrong. Are you there with me?
Amen.
Everybody got a problem. Anyone you work with, everywhere you work, everybody in that workplace got a problem. You are the problem creator.
Yes.
Are you there with me?
Amen.
And that is what we are restored to. We need to stop what the enemy is suggesting to us. We can do it on our own. When God, even Adam, did not do it on his own. Every day he did it, he sat in his seat and he talked with God.
Say it again.
He didn't do it on his own.
Yes, sir.
But we want to live a life now. I get time for nobody. As long as I got my paycheck. But I'll tell you something. There are people that make stretch digits in the banks. And yet today, somebody got to feed them.
Exactly.
Let me ask you a little bit. In a prosperous country as the United States is, can you believe that sicknesses like Alzheimer's will kill somebody? I was walking with a very young lady in Honolulu, Hawaii, and we were talking. I saw her mood just changed automatically. She was laughing right now, and the mood just changed automatically. She just became sour and bitter and everything else. I said, then sit down and rest. When she sat down and rested and she came back to herself, I said, what is happening? He said, no, there's a sickness in the core. That control. No, she got a mood. There's a name for them. You know, the guy. And I asked for the meaning and said that thing is controlled by a spirit. Beautiful, nice, good money, but yet your life is like that. Why? Because you do not have a seat before God.
That's it.
Because you fail to recognize and accept the man that had come to restore the world. I want to close with these notes. Hallelujah.
Amen.
You can live this life alone. He came and he died and he resurrected to restore you. Just this week, the enemy struck me so hard to an extent that I knew the value of his power, of his restoration.
Yeah.
Because you see, the enemy will want to take your life and cut your life short. But what he do not know is that as long you got a covenant with God, he may block all he can in his life. Listen to me. That was not the first time when Eve ate that fruit. Was not the first time that the devil plotted against Adam. That was not the first time. He might have been looking at Adam and getting angry in his heart and fall a loophole. Since I cannot tell this man, I will tell what is valuable to him. And when I can get her, I will get him. Because whatever you love, your sight, everything you love is the one that will carry you. That's why people get on Amazon. They spend the entire paycheck before they realize that they have no change. Are you there with me? The reason for that is because of their eyes. If you remove their eyes from them, they will not spend that money. Are you there with me? And some people go on the net and they try to look at the restaurants. And because of what they see and the power of their ability to taste, they will eat so much to an extent that you see somebody. I was saying to my wife, I said, do you know that these 600-pound people that I see here who go for surgery will not exist in Liberia? He said, how? Who will give you that amount of food that you alone will eat up to 600 pounds? Are you there with me? Listen, the problem here, food is there, but it's measurable. Who is going to get you alone to eat up to 600 pounds and you walk in the 3 or 17 person walking together with one head?
You're both in.
Can you believe that? 600 pounds? There are young people in that weigh 190 pounds. They're fighting hard to see how they can get something to eat on a daily basis. So that sickness do not have a place there.
No.
I dare you show me 600-pound person. Show me one. I will tell you their relatives are living here. As soon as you even show me a 300-pound man, I will tell you that he's connected to the United States.
Somebody
is sending him that food. Are you there with me? So you see here, that is a problem that we have. We believe that our eyes drive us, our taste drive us. Somebody sit and eat and eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. You know, I lost strength. And we went to one of these buffets and we sat there to eat. Somebody almost made me to hate swims. Because of the amount of swims I hear alone. I mean, you keep me going for it every night. I mean, I take one plate. I tell you, I love it so much. I take one plate is sufficient. The man went for one. He went for two. The third time he went, one of the managers, the coach, came out and greeted him. Just to greet him so that he can have conscience. He didn't have no time for that man. He loaded the fourth bowl and he brought it in salad. And look, effortlessly, the man is consuming almost like when you put in plants in a machine.
In a sawmill.
In a sawmill. Can you believe that? Listen, don't be driven by what you see. The fruit of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil was fascinating to eat because of its sight, the way it looked, because of the look of it, and then because of its taste. The thing that will kill you is in the taste. The thing that will destroy you is in what you see. The thing that is holding you down is what you are seeing. Hallelujah.
Amen.
You know, I was looking at a short video of one of the comedians in Liberia, in Africa, Nigeria. And the video is between a counselor who is advising this young man to stop looking at women and pay his attention to life so that he can succeed in life. And just as they came down the stairs from talking, the man saw a young lady and he announced, he reminded the counselor that, look, counselor, you know, they call booty in Nigeria, they call it yansh. He said, counselor, yansh is life. The man tried to beat her up for his head. Still he could not learn. When another young girl came while they were walking, he tried to beat him. He turned around and told the counselor, he said, I don't want to make it in life. So, because of what he wants for now, he don't want to make it in life. He rather choose what he got now and what he's seeing right now. And he mortgages his entire future. Ladies and gentlemen, many of us are mortgaging our future because of what we see and because of what we taste. Let's move to the next level. Come back to your seat. Take your seat with God. That seat may be in your bathroom. That seat may be in your car. That seat may be on your bed. That seat may be while you are standing on the assembly line doing the man's job. That seat may be while you are in your office trying to fill out the prescription, for your clients. That seat of God, you can talk to him anywhere. He's willing to listen to you. When last have you actually complained to God directly about what is happening to you? You complain to people, they're not willing to listen. And when they listen, they are only listening to go and gossip. But talk to the man who, when you talk to him, he listens and he's prepared to help you solve the problem. Hallelujah. Amen. Let us stand on our feet. So his resurrection was to restore us. That is the purpose of his resurrection. Amen. His resurrection was to give us access before God, where we can again take our seat and commune with God, have fellowship with God, talk to him. It don't have to be a yelling acrobatic prayer. You tell a Pentecostal man like come to pray, you have to put microphone and loudspeaker there, and make sure that they are about to pray. Because when he hears Jesus, the whole world got to go up. Are you there with me? Amen. You don't need that. Quietly, it's your seat. Amen. Why are you even walking? It's your seat. Talk to him about the challenges of your life, and I see you being restored. Amen. Listen, the enemy will lose control of his ability to hold you down. Amen. Because he cannot stand a man whose presence is in God's presence, whose life is in presence of God.